Hey everyone, the Potrat here, just to speak a little bit about the overall process of this drawing. The movie I have not seen yet, although I've been hearing great things, and it's been something that's a long time coming since I think James Cameron acquired the rights some like 20 years ago. Only seeing the trailer, they obviously stayed faithful to a certain anime aspect, especially, the huge eyes. I'm not sure how they somehow made it work and not fall into the uncanny valley based on the reviews so far. In case you don't know what that is, just Google, uncanny valley. But anyway, for this drawing, I used one of the movie poster as the main reference, mostly for lighting, because it's very generic proportioned anime styled face. I decided to start with mid-tone, didn't want to use a toned paper because I would rather use eraser to create highlights whenever I can. And lately I really enjoy just drawing or painting the shadows and dark tones first, and almost like I'm creating a face that's in the shadows, and then cast the light on there via highlights. And that's pretty much what I did here. Compressed charcoal is what I used, and that's pretty much all I used, I think, for the most part of the beginning of the video. And then the details are done with a sharp charcoal pencil. Any highlight that you see is really created via a combination of kneaded eraser and hard rubber eraser. Because the undertone is very soft charcoal, I can just very easily take those off. So yeah, this started out as just kind of a practice drawing, but I decided to put it on here, it couldn't hurt. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a reminder, those of you who are currently taking my Realism for Beginners class, if you haven't yet, spend like 20 minutes to do exercise B and post that in the community section on Patreon so I can make a feedback tweak video based on it, probably this weekend sometimes. I'm also going to do another real-time workshop this weekend for the patrons. You'll get the video, but it's always best to join live if you can, so I can address any specific questions you might have. So yeah, overall I hope this movie works out well. Then it would open doors for a lot of opportunities in terms of anime adaptations that would and could be actually done well, right? Because oh god, that reminded me of the Death Note on Netflix, Shudder. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video like I said, and have a great weekend. Cheers!